The Air Jordan 1 Low SE CNY is a special edition release built to celebrate the Lunar New Year, featuring rich materials and eye-catching details. The upper starts with a sail leather base that gives the sneaker a soft, premium look, paired with light chocolate overlays for clean structure and a calm, refined finish. Its standout feature is the cow print panels on the heel and swoosh, designed with slightly raised, textured fibers that move subtly and bring a warm, dimensional feel. The swoosh also carries a small tab embroidered with Jordan, while the tongue showcases a detailed Jumpman logo surrounded by festive stitching. Bright red laces add a strong contrast, and the included gold Jumpman keychain boosts the celebratory theme. A cream sail midsole and brown outsole complete the balanced color palette. Continuing Jordan brand's Lunar New Year tradition, this pair blends cultural inspiration with modern craftsmanship for a standout seasonal look.